video I'm going to talk about the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Eyeliner, and I know that my subscribers know my name, but for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to share my review on the Physicians Formula Eyeliner, and I'm going to show you how it performs, how I'm going to create the winged liner with it, plus my thoughts on that one as well. Now, I ordered my Physicians Formula product, which I reviewed already on my channel, plus this one, on iHerb, which I discovered basically when I ordered the Physicians Formula products. And I just noticed that if you're looking like in Australia where you can get Physicians Formula products, they are normally always like a bit cheaper than going to the drugstore. So I mean, if it's about foundation it can be tricky, but let's say like a bronzer, highlighter, like the liner, you can order it online and also save some money. So this is what I've noticed, and I'm really happy that I discovered this like website, because they have also loads of like different makeup products. And so if you're in Australia and you are interested where you can get them, this is one website that I can recommend you. Other than that, I just wanted to get into the review because I finished basically the Clinique liner, which I used to love for 3 years almost. And if you want to see a review on that one as well, you can click on this one right here. Now I changed the Physicians Formula one, which is definitely way cheaper. It's a drugstore price, it's not high-end, and it looks also very similar when it comes to the tip. So this is basically why I ordered it, just because the tip looks the same and it's the same color, which is black. So I'm going to put my hair back and then we can start with the application. So this is now a little bit of a close-up when it comes to the tip. It has little bristles which basically act like a brush, which I do prefer, because sometimes you have also spongy applicators, but I do not like them so much just because I personally can't work with them. I just prefer either taking a brush and creating a liner or having like a liner where it has the bristles on top. So this is basically why I've picked that one as well, just because I can't work with different like other ones. So I'm going to start off by just creating a normal line like above my lashes. Now I'm following at first along the lash line so that I have a base before I'm going to flick it. What I've noticed with this eyeliner is that it dries directly, which can be good or bad, depends on how quick you are going to work with it. I personally like it a lot because then it won't smudge or basically move around once you are like trying to get a beautiful winged liner done. Now what I've also noticed is that it isn't as black, like the intensity of black is not really like there compared to the Clinique liner that I had. But I'm not mad at it because I can go over it again so that I will get a beautiful intense black later on. I just think because it dries pretty quick, it just needs a second coat. Now the Physicians Formula eyeliner dries pretty quick, as I mentioned. But in this case, it depends on how good you are with eyeliner, or if you have sometimes a bad day and you can't get it even, or you need to clean the edges to get it even, then I really enjoy that it dries so quickly, as you can work with it. Either you can take a brush with a bit of concealer or foundation and you can clean the edges, and it will crumble a bit, just because it dries so quickly, and it dries pretty like, it dries a lot, it's not like still moving a lot. So what I do enjoy is once you are going to clean it up, or using just a makeup wipe and go over it and just remove the eyeliner so that you can start over again, it will work, it won't leave a mess. Because sometimes I have these days myself, one of the days were today, that you can't really get it at the first like time you're trying it. So you have to try over and over, and what you can do is take a makeup remover, like if you're not happy with the eyeliner, then just follow basically the line of the eyeliner. This is what you're going to remove and it won't leave a mess. You can use eye primer, concealer, whatever again on top, and you can try it again. This is something that I really enjoy, which wasn't possible with the Clinique one because it wasn't like really drying, and this one is matte as well, so this won't have a shine once you apply it. The only thing is you need to add 2 coats to get a really intense black, but I mean, I can live with it, and I do enjoy that I can work with it a lot without having a mess later on. So would I recommend this one for you? Yes, it also depends on which with what kind of eyeliner you're used to do your eyeliner. If you're used to having it in a gel like pot one, then this one is completely different. But if you're used to using a liquid liner as this one, then I definitely just would suggest this one for you. It is like drugstore price. It won't cost you a lot of money compared to high-end eyeliners, and it will do basically a good job. So I'm really happy with it, and I'm going to continue using it as I love to work with it. So I hope that I could help you out how this performs, how it works, what I love to do with the eyeliner, and I hope that I can help you with making you the decision whether or not you should get it. Still, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, because I'm here to help you out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!